Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Today, we're diving into the world of voice AI. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred browser. I personally recommend Chrome for the best experience. Once you're in, simply type in play.ht in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first link that pops up. Look for the Try It for Free button and click on it. You'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Go ahead and do that. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the play.ht interface. From there, click on Create Audio. Now comes the fun part. Navigate to the ultra-realistic voice option. Type in your script or speech into the provided text box. If you've already prepared your text elsewhere, simply copy and paste it here. Want to add a unique touch to your voice? Play.ht allows you to transform your voice into different characters.
To the present and the future. In the midst of this rough conditions in South Africa, Elon Musk.
Welcome to this tutorial.
The length of the exercise session does not change how effective it is at improving people's moods.
Explore the options and select the one that suits your content best. Need to make some tweaks? No problem. You can edit your voice right here in the interface. It's incredibly user-friendly, so feel free to experiment.
I stands for artificial intelligence. It refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include things like learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, and decision-making.
Want to take it up a notch? You can import your video and synchronize the voiceover with it seamlessly. It's a fantastic way to enhance your content. It's time to export. You have the option to export your video with the voiceover as a single audio file or break it down into separate paragraphs for more flexibility. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through play.ht and created your own ultra-realistic voiceover.
I stands for artificial intelligence. It refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And hey, if you're interested in learning more about AI, be sure to stick around because there's plenty more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
We'll be right back.